Hi everyone, my name is Nazman and I'm from Malaysia. And today I would like to share about my current project in PictoBlock. So I do have a project or a program named Edge Calculator, and I will give a short demo first. So this is basically my code, and then I will clear this first. I hit run. So Toby will print out enter your birthday. I will enter my own birthday 23. Enter your birth month, sorry, 11, and then enter your birth year 1984. You are 40 years old. So that is the result. So if you look at the code, I found out that my first difficulty is about how to get up or to import the time because before this I use import time, and then I found out it cannot directly get the time, so I must use the from that time input that, and then uh, I will get the date for today. We use this one, and then I create the object but date so I can have the age calculated by minus to the years and birthday years. And if I put more condition here, if the current or I mean if we do not reach the our birthday yet, for example I supposed to be 41 years old, but it's not 20 November yet, so I will be 40 years old. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.